Welcome to our YouTube video, where we'll guide you through the process of opening your TikTok QR code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access your unique QR code in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little person. Tap on it to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find various options. Look for the My QR Code option and tap on it. This will take you to your unique TikTok QR code. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed your TikTok QR code. This code is a personalized representation of your TikTok profile, allowing others to easily find and connect with you. Feel free to share your QR code with friends and followers to expand your TikTok network.